It's not safe at all.
Right.
And yeah, it's. I don't know what do we do about it, but it's actually unfair.
I barely go to the washroom when I'm outside.
Oh my god, that is something so new.
They should check everywhere, each and every corner. It's really too bad.
Right.
So we have to take serious action on him.
Recently, in a Bengaluru cafe's washroom, a phone was found video recording and taping women who used the restroom. Now, the Bengaluru police have arrested the accused. I'm Afreen Hussain, and I'm here to find out what women really feel when they use public restrooms in cafes, restaurants, hotels, etc. Do they generally check for camera or other spyware when they use it? Let's find out.
I mean, you usually do, but then this was quite a shocking incident. And I feel in bars and stuff, especially when you're going to like drink and things like that, sometimes it can be scary. So I'm just hoping that no other place actually has any of these things, and you can't really hold a brand against it. They didn't know, but I just hope now, and I know that all F&B outlets now will take that extra step to make sure that this isn't done. Most bars anyway always have people around the washrooms, so I think this will be an added step to that.
So, when you go to washrooms, do you generally check around for cameras or something?
You know, honestly, no, because once you enter the women's washroom, you feel a sense of safety that okay, I'm going to a washroom. But now it makes us also be careful, or a guy as well, that just check the washroom before anything.
It's not safe at all.
Right.
And yeah, it's. I don't know what do we do about it, but it's actually unfair for all the girls out there. We're actually trusting and using their washrooms, and then what they're doing is illegal, unlawful, and then yeah, we need justice. We want justice. That's it.
So, when you go to washrooms, do you generally check for camera?
No, that's what we don't check it because we are trusting people, and then now they're like playing with our trust, bro. So yeah, we gotta do something more.
It's really too bad.
Right.
So we have to take serious action on him.
Right.
And henceforth, no hotel should do that.
Right.
So such kind of punishment has to be given.
And do you have a routine of checking your surroundings when you use washrooms, public washrooms or something?
Yeah, definitely. But still, we are so scared about it.
Basically nowadays we never knew where the hidden camera is kept off, and we should be safe, and wherever we are going we should have little mind opening, like wherever the cameras will be and there, so we should be little aware on that.
But sometimes when we go to the other washroom also, we used to check everywhere. We used to see is there any camera is there or not. Yeah, sometimes we do it, but not every time. Yeah.
Yes, I think so. And I think they should take precaution before entering in the restroom. They should check everywhere, each and every corner. And I think nowadays it's becoming more common to see the videos getting leaked, and I think it's a big safety issue.
So, do you have a routine when you enter public restrooms?
Yes.
Do you check?
Yes, I always check each and every corner.
Right.
Oh my god, that is something so new. That is. Of course, we never thought in that angle, but then once now you've told me, I think we'll need to double check everywhere, because all these days we used to hear cases wherein the hotel rooms are not safe, the changing rooms are not safe, but washrooms is the least expected place. But I think we'll have to check double times to ensure that if the place where we go use is safe.
So, when you go to washrooms, do you generally check around for like cameras or something, or do you just use it?
No, usually we just use the restrooms and come. But yeah, I think now it's like an eye opener to me. So I'll have to be double careful when I'm using public restrooms and washrooms. Yeah.
Thank you.